Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a waterfall chart in PowerPoint with negative values. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the home menu. Select the new slide option and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu. Select the chart option. Now we can see here many chart. Now I am select the waterfall and click OK. Wait some moment to insert the chart. Now we can see here the waterfall chart. Now I am go to the chart data option. Otherwise you go to the chart data, go to the chart design option and select the edit option. Now we can see here the chart data. Now we want to make the value is negative. At first select the series. Now we can see here the 100. Now I am write minus 100. Then select the 20, write minus 20. Then go to down and make the all data in minus 130, then minus 70 and minus 140. Then close the Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see the all data is negative. Now we can see we make the waterfall chart with negative values very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.